Hi, I'm Sonia Vise, and we are here with John Box this afternoon. And we just want to talk a little bit to John and see what he has going on here. Good afternoon, John.
How you doing?
Wonderful, wonderful. We see that you are kind of new on the block here. Can you tell us a little bit about what you got going?
So about a month ago, we opened the box shop down on 1029th State Street. So basically, we have a clothing store. On the back of it, we have the Ross Box Music Studio where people like artists, they can record and everything like that, music and all that.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. And you say you've been here for about a month now?
Yeah, we've been here for about a month, maybe like 6 weeks or so. We originally came from Upper Peach Street.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, can you tell us when did you come to Erie? Are you a native of Erie?
No.
No?
I moved here from Oakland, California, about 2009. My significant other is from here. Her family's from here and everything. So, that's when, I moved here and then found a job and then fell in love with the city.
Oh, that's wonderful. We do have a beautiful city here on the lake. Oh, wow. Okay, and how is it a little bit different from Oakland, California? A little bit.
Definitely the weather. Right? You guys, like cold weather and all that, the snow. We don't really get snow in Oakland. But aside from that, summer here is really awesome. Like the Presque Isle, the peninsula, and all that. I love it.
Oh, I would have to agree. We are the pretty little city on the lake. Well, as I'm looking through, I see some really interesting pieces here. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to walk out with one of the T-shirts. Can you just tell us a little bit, like, what inspired you? I see all the pieces here. It just speaks of love and nonviolence, and we can definitely use some of that in the city.
Definitely. I think it's a big factor. Obviously, it's not like it's just happening in Erie. It's happening all over the world. Violence, is really important to address with the youth. It's important, to teach the kids that there are options other than violence and all that. We have designs all about love and everything. We did a collaboration with the Romantic Era. They're a local band that is able to do that.
Oh, we appreciate it. And like I said, there's some really nice pieces here. Now, do you design the pieces yourself, or do you have an artist? Or?
Yes, I basically designed everything from scratch. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you just show us a little bit of what it is that you have here?
Right here is our art to hip hop. It's called for Jay Dilla, right? It's the donor, right? Basically, it's telling you that you may have come so far, right? What I'm saying, but you still have a lot more you can achieve. Over here we have the Think Twice, right? Knowledge over violence, with the hand that gives you the peace sign. So it's letting you know that maybe you can pick peace instead of violence and all that.
Right.
And over here we have Love Above All, right? That's our collaboration with the Romantic Era. Basically telling people that among everything, love should be important.
Absolutely. Can you grab that one down and just show our viewers that one? That is a favorite one of mine, and I will be purchasing that before I leave today. It's wonderful. Well, you know what? We are happy to have you in the city, and I think I just have a couple more questions for you. How do you manage it all? You promote music, you produce, you design, you do graphic artists. How do you do it all?
One of the biggest part of our clothing line is supporting the hip hop environment, culture for the city. A good friend of ours, Robert Jensen, with Basement Transmissions, we do shows over there. It's basically just having a lot of good friends helping you. Obviously I can't do it all by myself, so I have a lot of people in my crew that allows me to be able to advertise that.
Wow. So do you advertise? How do people find you? Do they look you up on social media, Facebook, Instagram?
Definitely. We definitely use social media with Facebook and everything. Word of mouth, a lot of our models are actually local, so they're easily to relate to and everything. And they all pretty much went to high school around here and all that.
Oh, that's wonderful. Wonderful. And one last thing, I hear you have a certain philosophy for life. Can you just share that with our listening viewers and audience?
You know, I do have a bunch and everything like that, but I always, one of my tattoos actually says Carpe Diem, which allows you to be able to seize the moment. To me, nobody's promised tomorrow, so you always gotta like make sure that even though you're struggling or even though, you know, you have problems and everything like that, you should always try to seize the moment and just be, you know, grateful that you're alive for that day and try to make the most out of it.
Oh, and that's an awesome one. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. Well, you know what? Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Yeah.
And for all of you out there listening and watching, come on down to is it John Box or just the Box?
The Box Shop on 1029 State Street. We're right next to Erie Ale House and pretty close to Steve-O's Pizza.
That is awesome. And like I said, before I leave, that back there, that Love Overall is my favorite t-shirt. Actually, I'll be purchasing one, not just for me, but for my teenage son as well. Well, thank you very much. And stay tuned for more Chatting with Sonia. We'll be checking out the latest entrepreneurs in the city, and stay tuned.